Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in this boutique community built by Sullivan Brothers. Now, they do a lot of building out in the Galveston area. They have one big master plan community out that way, but they have brought their talents to the city of Pearland. Now, this community is called Pearland Old Town Site, and this home is called the Oliver. The Oliver is going to be a 3 or 4 bedroom home with 2 baths, a little over 1,800 square feet, and the starting price is going to be a little bit above the $400,000 range. Now, this community is unique because the schools that it is zoned to is going to be C.J. Harris Elementary, Pearland Junior High East, or Alexander Middle School and Pearland High School. So remember, like always, make sure you know what schools your children will be zoned to before you sign that contract. And remember that even after you sign that contract, they can always rezone the schools. If you have any questions regarding this builder, this community, or any other real estate questions, please drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, that bell, and that subscribe to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour.